are going to be doing a video on my weird slime, so don't forget to subscribe. Link in the comments below if you want an iPhone 7. So if we get up to 100 likes, the last 100th person gets the iPhone 7. So make sure you subscribe too. If you don't subscribe, you can't get the iPhone 7, even though you're last. So, but link in the comment below that you just subscribed and you're the first one, the third one, the fourth one, whatever number you are, and say like where you live, and I can ship it to you, and what town and city in, like New York or something. And this is in stores, so look, I'm going to put a little piece right there, and it picks it up. So, thank y'all guys, I love y'all so much. Goodbye.